Good morning. Thank you so much for being here, everyone with us this morning as we have this powerful Flip the Switch event. We are very proud of our GreenPower program here in engineering and at the city, and we are so glad that you are here today. We want to thank you again for joining us, and the mayor will be officially turning on the city's largest solar panel project to date here in the city. And what's more impressive is this is just the first part of this solar project, and next year we'll be adding and expanding it again. My name is Hannah Molenitsky. I'm a public information officer for the City of Madison Engineering Division. Again, happy to host you all this morning. In the interim, though, we are proud to share about the GreenPower project on, of course, Metro's bus garage. For anyone who isn't familiar, GreenPower is a program housed in engineering where we teach eager workers with little to no electrical skills to install solar. Pretty awesome. It's a 6 to 9 month program, and as we've learned, it helps pave the way for a career either in solar, electrical apprenticeships, or even employment at the city. Matt Parks is engineering's master electrician. Matt oversees the GreenPower program. Eric Haugen is engineering's journeyman electrician. Eric led the crew installing this 120 kilowatt system here at Metro. Over the course of the year, this system will generate 139,000 kilowatt hours of electricity. Wow. This is the 13th solar installation on a city facility for our GreenPower team, which brings our city's total to 743 kilowatt hours. In 2020, GreenPower will also install a 28 kilowatt system at the Madison Municipal Building downtown, and then return here to install an additional 240 kilowatts, at which point we will reach our 2020 goal of 1 megawatt of solar installed behind the meter on city facilities. Today, we're going to hear from a number of people we have for you this morning with stakes in this project. Tom Lynch, City of Madison Transportation Director, Joel Rolchin from Focus on Energy for a check presentation, and of course, Madison Mayor Satya Rhodes-Conway to share about the city's ongoing commitment to solar and more. But first up, Tom Lynch, Director of Transportation for the City of Madison.
Great, thank you. So nationally, transportation makes up about a third of carbon emissions. And we realize just through the Times Person of the Year this year how great a crisis we are facing as global climate change happens. Transit emits about half on average the carbon emissions as a motor vehicle does, or a personal vehicle. So Metro Transit is already helping to cut carbon emissions just through transporting people from jobs to home and to services. We're proud to be part of this, where we can further offset carbon emissions by actually capturing energy and using that instead of carbon fuels to power just building lights as well as motor vehicles. And so we're just proud. This is an exciting day for us. Thank you very much.
Good morning, everyone. I am absolutely delighted to be here at the Metro Bus Barn to be flipping the switch on our biggest solar array in the city of Madison yet. I want to thank especially the electricians, our GreenPower folks who did this installation, and the folks that trained them and supervised the project. Thank you, Matt and Eric, for your work on this, and Kathy for keeping it all together. It's really, I love this program. I think it's really, really important that the City of Madison lead the way in demonstrating how solar energy can be not only a climate positive thing, but also a fiscally responsible thing to do, and a jobs training program that builds our local economy. This project is the most powerful solar project that we have here at the city. When finished, the project will have a whopping 334 solar panels, 1 inverter, and it's expected to offset 98 metric tons of carbon dioxide per year, which is fantastic. It's a huge accomplishment for the GreenPower Solar Job Training Program and for our city as a whole. Solar energy is a triple win for the community. It creates local jobs, it's cost effective, and it's critical in achieving our climate goals and transitioning to clean energy sources. As a city, Madison has a goal for 100% renewable energy for city operations by 2030. And installing solar panels on our own facilities will help us meet that goal while growing our local talent pool in the solar industry, which is necessary to help the rest of the city meet that goal. This project not only greens our power supply of our buildings, but also of our transit system. And as we start next year to add electric buses to our fleet, they will benefit from solar energy as well. So again, I want to thank the GreenPower team for their work, and for city engineering and their work, and the team here at Metro and in our transportation department for being willing to be a part of our solar program here at the City of Madison. And so next we have the folks from Focus on Energy, and then we're going to step outside and actually flip the switch.
Thank you, Mayor. So, as everyone said before, so this is a 119 kilowatt system, which is fantastic. It's great to be getting on the board again with even more solar projects that City of Madison is doing. With the Focus on Energy program, the Madison municipality has been a fantastic participator in this program, not only on the recip side and solar energy and renewables, but also everything from energy savings such as redoing light bulbs, redoing HVAC fixtures and things like that, trying to pull more energy off the grid and make an even bigger difference with the solar PV system that they have here. So Madison has really helped with the great initiative in making the Wisconsin Focus on Energy program the most cost-effective statewide energy efficiency program in the nation, according to Berkeley Labs. So for every dollar that we're putting into the Focus on Energy program, we're getting over $5 in savings back out of that, which is absolutely fantastic. So with this program, I'm very happy to present this check for just over $33,000 to the City of Madison. And on behalf of Focus on Energy, thank you very much for participating.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Stay there. All right, so we are going to just step outside, right out this door. And then we'll flip the switch, so I'll give folks a moment to get out there and before we actually do the deed. All right, here we go. Go little solar panels. Yeah.